Hello, and welcome to our new video. To use VLOOKUP in Excel, follow these steps. Write the column headers for the data you want to look up. Identify and note the exact cell reference, lookup value, for the data you want to search. Select a cell where you want the result to appear and type the shown expression. Enter the lookup value by either selecting the cell containing it or typing it directly. Then, type a comma. Select the range of your entire table that contains both the lookup value and the data to be retrieved. Type another comma. Write the column index number, which is the numerical position of the column from which you want to retrieve the data relative to your selected table range. Type another comma. Specify the match type by typing true for an approximate match or false for an exact match. Close the formula with a parenthesis and press enter. The data you were looking for will now appear in the selected cell. You can also change your lookup value, and the corresponding data will update automatically. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.